Hello guys, George here again. We have new project. It's 2008 BMW Z4. Tools that we use to replace convertible top.
Convertible top replacement, repaired, service, mechanical, and hydraulic service, tuned up convertible top.
For a 2008 BMW Z4 convertible, when installing the rear seal such as the convertible top seal, preheating the seal is often recommended to make it more pliable and easier to work with. To remove the side seals, also known as weather strips or rubber seals on a 2008 BMW Z4 convertible, follow these general steps. These seals are typically located along the top edges of the doors or where the convertible roof meets the body. Be cautious as they are crucial for keeping water and wind out of the vehicle. Steps for removing the side seals. 1. Lower the convertible top to allow better access to the seals. 2nd, locate the weather stripping. These seals run along the side of the windshield frame, door edges, or where the convertible top meets the car's body. 3rd, remove any retaining screws. If the weather strip is secured with screws or clips, you'll need to remove those first. Be gentle to avoid damaging any parts. 4thly, use the trim removal tool. Carefully insert the tool underneath the seal to pry it away from the car. The weather strip is typically held in place by adhesive or clips. Slowly work your way along the length of the seal, prying it off without tearing it. It took us about 8 hours to complete this work. Feel free to contact with me at 310-435-8417.